Hey, it's Jeff Sauer here, taking you behind the scenes at our operation here at Jeffalytics. And in this video, I'm going to show you the process that goes into publishing our videos and our blog posts, and basically all the anxiety, all the fun stuff that happens before we hit that publish button, so you can watch these videos as part of our 90-day challenge. There's a lot that goes into this, even though it's a pretty simple process. A lot of moving parts happen, so we need a process in place, and I'm going to show you exactly what we do, how we do it, and how this all comes together in the end. So watch on if you want to see our process behind publishing videos to YouTube and publishing blog posts to our WordPress blog. Thank you. Let's go behind the scenes of our video and post publishing process. So how do we publish our videos on YouTube, and how do our blog posts make it onto the internet? Well, we showed you how we create the videos and how we wrote our posts, but we also need to make it look good. And that's really important because we put a lot of effort into these, and we want to make sure that people click on them, that they want to go to these YouTube videos, and that they want to learn more from us. So this process is pretty straightforward, but it does require attention to detail if we want to get it right. So here is our video publishing process in 10 easy steps. Step 1, we capture and upload a video still image. This is done by our editor, who pulls an image from the video, one that makes me not look too stupid, and we take that and we have it in a folder, as you can see here, with all the different PNGs of our items. What we'll do is we'll upload it to Canva. We'll take that still image, we'll put some text on it, make it something that you see in your actual YouTube video. You've probably seen many of these if you've been watching along with the 90-day challenge, and you know that this is what we do. We add them in Canva, and it's a pretty straightforward template to get things done. We reduce the file size using TinyPNG. I love this tool because it really reduces your file sizes significantly. All you need to do is drag and drop an image, and it spits out the result for you. Step 4, we upload the video to YouTube, and the still goes into it as well. So we put the video up there, and then we put the still in there to cover the image. And this is what you see when you're inside of YouTube. Step 5, we add the video, title, description, and tags to the YouTube video. We get it ready to go. We get it exactly how we want it to be. But at this point, it is not published yet. So we put it in there exactly how we want it for when it will be published. Step 6, we use TubeBuddy, which is a suite of tools that allows us to schedule things into the future, optimize our tags, improve visibility, all kinds of awesome stuff around YouTube. We use TubeBuddy. You can get it at jeffalytics.com/TubeBuddy. Just a really cool way of keeping track of all your videos and making sure that they get delivered on time. Step 7, within TubeBuddy, we schedule a video to go live at a certain time. For most of these videos, it is the first thing we put live, so it's right around midnight, just after midnight Central Time that we put these out there. It's before our blog post goes live, it's before our social media, it's before our emails. Everything happens with this YouTube post first. Everything is contingent on YouTube making this video work, so we schedule it to go live before we do anything else. Step 8, we add the video into our blog post. We make sure that we put the video in there, and obviously when we're not published yet, when the video is not published, it wouldn't work. So we need to make sure that the video is working properly, and all you need to do is embed a YouTube link inside of your blog post, and it just shows up right inside of the blog post as well. Step 9, we schedule the blog post to be published. And again, we don't publish these immediately. We publish them about an hour and a half after the YouTube video goes live. That way, in case there's any troubles with delays in YouTube, we still have a little bit of time before the post goes live, and it goes live at 2 a.m. Central Time. And our final step is that we schedule the email to publish. So the next day, the email goes live, and the email goes out to our various lists, like we talked about in our last behind the scenes video, and that's how people know that we have something out there. So email is the main way of promoting content. We also do social media, which is going to be in an upcoming video. Actually, in our next behind the scenes video, we're going to show you how our social media process works. And that is, in a nutshell, our simple process. Short and sweet, easy to do, but there's a lot of moving parts, so you want to make sure you get it right. And this is where process comes in, because yes, there's 10 steps that go into it, but everybody knows their role, everybody knows their function, and so those 10 steps are done pretty quickly because we know that we anticipate them, and they're a list that we need to go through every single time we publish a video. And that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more behind the scenes updates and to our entire process here at Jeffalytics.